When they say Funko, you're hoping it's not damaged. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Oh, what? That's wrapped quite nice. Ooh. That nice box. I got that box. Yeah, they did that pretty good. We'll throw that over there. There we go. Out the way. All right. Add icons. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. What? What's a pumpkin? That's not a pumpkin. That's an upside down monkey. Okay, so we have that. Limited edition, they say. How limited? They aren't going to say that, but it was for the fall convention in 2019. Mimic the monkey. Hold his little PEZ dispenser there. So, there are now 2 versions of Mimic the Monkey. But, let's see what this pumpkin is. Very interested in that. It's another upside down one. Oh, if only it was in the package like so. But it's a PEZ girl. This is a blonde PEZ girl. Doesn't she look so happy? She's ready to sell some PEZ, folks. Look at that. PEZ dispenser in her hand. Big smile on her face. Same sticker. So now, whew, there's so many of these things now. Slowly growing. The Pops are taking over the PEZ, and the Pop PEZ are taking... Oh, it's a little too much right now. But here is where we stand with our mimics and our PEZ girls for now. Oh, I'm sure there will be more. But these actually do look pretty happy. So until next time...